When I first went there, I was struck by the town. If I'm too early, I'll be gone in the sun. If I walk slowly and don't even think, then I'm too lost to stay with this pain. I was down. Where were you, my friend? Now I'm down. Where are you, my friend? And I go down to the beach just to find you, but somebody tells me I'm dying. I go down to the beach just to meet you, but someone already caught up your heart. If you learn a thing still could turn you around, then you probably see the killer hide in the sun. Now you walk the valley, travel town after town, see a chance of freedom that reminds me of how she was down.